Bradley Aerobat. The Bradley BA-100 Aerobat is an American aerobatic home-built aircraft that was designed and produced by Bradley Aerospace of Chico, California. When it was available, the aircraft was supplied as a kit for amateur construction. Design and development. The BA-100 Aerobat features a cantilever low wing, a single-seat enclosed cockpit under a bubble canopy, fixed tricycle landing gear or optional conventional landing gear, and a single engine in tractor configuration. The all-metal aircraft is made from sheet aluminum. Its 18.40 ft 5.6 m span wing lacks flaps and has a wing area of 63.0 sq ft 5.853 m2. The cabin width is 22 and 56 cm. The acceptable power range is 70 to 100 HP 52 to 75 kW, and the standard power plant is the 70 HP 52 kW Volkswagen air-cooled engine. For aerobatics, the BA-100 is stressed to +/-9. The BA-100 Aerobat has a typical empty weight of 348 lb 158 kg and a gross weight of 600, giving a useful load of 272 lb 123 kg. With full fuel of 10 US gallons 38 L, 8.3 imp gal, the payload for pilot and baggage is 212 lb 96 kg. Factory kit options included conventional landing gear and a stall kit. The manufacturer estimated the construction time from the supplied kit as 150 hours. Operational history. By 1998, the company reported that 33 kits had been sold and 28 aircraft were flying. In December 2013, 3 examples were registered in the United States with the Federal Aviation Administration. Specifications: BA-100 Aerobat. Data from Aerocrafter. General characteristics: Crew 1, Crew 1, Crew 1, 1, 1, Crew 1. Length 14 ft 6 in 4.42 mm, 2 mm. Wingspan 18 ft 5 and 5.61 mm. Wing area 63.0 sq ft 5.853 m2. Empty weight 348 lb 158 kg. Gross weight 620 lb 281 kg. Fuel capacity 10 US gallons 38 L 8.3 imp gal. Power plant 1X Volkswagen air-cooled engine, 4-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke automotive conversion engine, 70 HP 52 kW. Propellers 2-bladed wooden. Performance: maximum speed 200 mph 320 km/h 170 kn. Cruise speed 150 mph 240 km/h 130 kn. Stall speed 50 mph 80 km/h 43 kn. 43 kn. Range 400 mi 640 km 350 nmi. Service ceiling 20,000 ft 6,100 m. 100 mm. Rate of climb 2100 ft/min 11 m/s. Wing loading 9.8 lb/sq ft 48 kg/m2.